Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a Form Recognizer resource and securing the key or enabling managed identity. This gives you the endpoint and auth needed. Once done, pick REST calls or an SDK. Use the SDK for faster iteration, REST for simple scripts. Next, collect representative documents and split them into training and test sets. You will need labeled data only for custom models. Make sure to install the Azure SDK or prepare curl so you can immediately call the service and verify connectivity. You now decide whether the pre-built models cover your needs or if custom training is required. Pre-built saves time for invoices and receipts, while custom handles unique fields. Upload your labeled training set to blob storage and generate a SAS token so Form Recognizer can read it. This prevents permission errors. Start the training job via SDK or REST, then poll the training status. Once complete, validate with held-out documents and inspect field names, confidence scores, and bounding boxes to confirm accuracy. You finish by calling the Analyze endpoint with the model ID and input document, then parse the return JSON for fields, types, and confidence scores to populate your app. Once integrated, make sure to handle asynchronous responses, implement retries for transient errors, and log error codes for debugging. If extraction quality is poor, add more labeled examples, refine labels, or preprocess images to improve OCR. Doing these fixes quickly raises accuracy. Finally, monitor performance and retrain periodically to adapt to new document variations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.